Here at Birdsong Life, we are working to turn this epidemic of loneliness and isolation around. The Birdsong tablet was specifically designed with seniors, for seniors. The interface prioritizes ease of use with high contrast icons that make navigation simple. Staying in touch with loved ones is key to combating social isolation, and it's never been easier with the Birdsong Connect app. Birdsong Live events bring lifelong learning classes and live concerts right into the user's home. With 6 broad engagement categories, users can watch classic films or television, they can listen to their favorite music or audiobooks, they can stay in shape with on-demand exercise classes. Users can virtually explore the world, learn new languages, and don't forget about all those brain games. There is truly something there for everyone. At Birdsong, we bring a world of engagement to life with a single touch.